Class 4. How are you all, Class 4? Today, take out your English workbook and look at page 8 of it. Today, we will continue with exercise 2, and yesterday we have been doing the question answers of the hidden treasure from the question answers from that word from the passage, and today we will continue with the related exercise. Today we will continue the exercise related to that passage which we have been doing in our previous lectures. Are you getting me? So let's start. What they are asking, what we have to do, they are saying we have to underline the right meaning for the word given below. Like these we have to choose the correct answer from the given options. We have to choose the correct meaning to it. So let's start. 1a, look at part A, which is impart. If students, if you know, you have so many times you have heard about a word parted, like they have parted their ways, I have parted my way. Like parted means to separate your way, to change your path basically. But here it is written impart, like I am is here with part, which means impart means the meaning of impart has now the meaning has been changed, and now its meaning has become to communicate. Impart is mean to communicate, to disclose, to convey yourself to others, to communicate to others, disclose something to others, or to share something to others, which means impart with the correct answers with go with its meaning is share. We will choose share. So underline share with it, because impart means to communicate, to convey, to disclose something to others, which means sharing something with others. So impart means share. So look at the part B, which is treasure. The options which are given for it are poverty, jewels, strength. So the correct answer is jewels, because treasure, from whatever, whenever the treasure word come into our mind, it is then lots of gold, jewelry, money, and all that stuff also come to into our minds, which mean treasure means jewels, jewelry basically. So we will choose jewels from the second one. For second one option. Now look at the third one, part C, which is marvelous. Marvelous means dangerous, not at all. Attractive, no. Wonderful, yes. Marvelous means wonderful. Excited, excited, splendid, fantastic, wonderful means awesome. That goes with marvelous and wonderful. Neglected. If you part D, neglected means attended. No, I have also told in our previous lecture where the word neglected word has been used in the passage, and I have told you neglected means ignore. So we will neglected means ignore. So we will underline ignore. Concealed. Conceal means reveal. No. Announce. No. Conceal means hidden. Treasure. So we look at the exercise B of it, and on page 8, and we also have to do exercise B with it. So what we have to do, they are asking to write the rhyming word for the following. Like treasure, we have to write rhyming word. For farm, we also have to write two rhyming words, and for duck, we have to write the two rhyming words. So for treasure, what can be rhyming words? For treasure, it can be measure, treasure, measure, and pleasure. Yes or no? Yes, it can be used. Treasure, measure, pleasure. So look at the second one, farm. What other two rhyming words can be made from farm? It can be farm, arm, and charm. Yes. Farm, arm and charm. And look at the third one, which is dog. What other two rhyming words can be made out of it? Dog, bug and jug. Yes. I hope today's lecture is clear to you. All is done for today, and tomorrow we will continue with the next exercise. Thank you, students.